If you want to perform a backup on Samsung Galaxy A17, then we have a couple of ways to do so. We're gonna open settings and scroll down until you find accounts and backup. And over here we can find three main ways, maybe even four, to back up your data. You can back up using Samsung Cloud. So over here we can press backup data in order to choose whatever you want to back up, which data should be backed up. In this case, I also have to update the Samsung Cloud app. But afterwards, once you select everything that you wish to backup, then of course you should be able to proceed and create the backup. Besides that, we can also use Google Drive or Google account in order to backup some data. We can backup photos and videos, as well as other device data that is listed over here in this description. You can choose what you want to backup, and then you can confirm by pressing this button over here in the bottom right corner. There is also another way to backup, because most of the time this is actually automatic, but you can also manually backup now by pressing this button over here. And then we also have two smart switch options. One of them is just transferring data to another device, which I believe it can also be used as a form of backup, but more likely you want to also use this one over here, external storage transfer. If you have a USB device like USB storage, a pen drive, flash drive, etc., then you can connect to your smartphone, and then you can use that as a way to create a backup, and then of course you can also restore the backup. And yeah, you can also insert an SD card as well into the phone, and this should work as well. So maybe not even using the, you don't have to use the flash drive, but since we have the memory card slot available on the smartphone, then you can use that as well. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.